So we continue the modifications on the Moto Guzzi. Next is going to be actually changing out the headers and putting on a new exhaust. And so let's get some sound pre-mods, and then we'll get some sound checks post-mods. Let's see what this bike sounds like pre-mods for the, we're going to do the headers, we're going to do an exhaust, and cat, straight.
So the header, so we're doing a cat removal and header, and then we'll do an exhaust and also an ECU modification with the map up, or UpMap, or whatever the hell it's called.
Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this thing sounds like right now.
Alright, in disassembling this, we're going to take the shields off first. Then we're going to take the oxygen sensors out. They're always fun. The instructions say to work from the back forward, so we'll take the muffler off, take the piece that holds up the catalytic converter, and then we'll drop the two header bolts off each side.
Let's get this party started. After Chad checks his Facebook account.
Do the headers and cat eliminator kit from AF1 Racing, made by Mistral. You gotta do. I weigh 184.9. $193.7. Oh no, they welded that shit on there. Look at that.
Oh, this is all together. It just blows my mind that this is one solid piece, and now we're going to have to cut through this exhaust. Okay, so the issue is that this exhaust doesn't come apart in different pieces. You can't pull this sensor out. You can't. It just doesn't have enough slack to turn it and disconnect it. So all this being attached and this being attached, you can move this forward, but there's this clamp back here that's not letting us move this forward. So probably the most technical aspect of this replacement is that we're going to actually take a saw and saw through this to make our lives a little easier. Is there another way of doing this? possibly, but this will probably cut a lot of time off our plate in order to just saw it maybe here and then be able to unscrew the sensors and then remove this piece here.
So just, if you hold it steady from there, I think I can just cut.
All right.
Got it?
Yep.
Oh wait, need a battery, sorry. Blade's worn out. You need to show that, dude, because
So now we know why it took so much effort to cut through this thing. These pipes actually are part of the catalytic converter. Look at this. Talk about horrible airflow. Now we're going to get some really good airflow.
.1.
Okay, just removed the exhaust off the Moto Guzzi, and how much weight was that exhaust, stock exhaust?
15.2 pounds.
15.2 pounds is what we just removed.
So the new one is 7.2 pounds lighter.
Okay, shaving off 7.2 pounds.
At the completion of the stock exhaust replacement, the total weight reduction was 14.23 pounds, which included all piping and muffler.
Yeah, it's going.
We're going to torque these to 18 pounds, and we're going to torque the oxygen sensors to 28 pounds. So the clamps on here are 18 foot-pounds, just like the header bolts are. That is per the Moto Guzzi manual. Come on, click, damn it, click. Wait. I'll clean up my mess. Sorry, bro.
It wasn't too bad of a project.
Not compared to the freaking misses.
The install of the new muffler was completed the following day, and now it's time to set new performance parameters for this new exhaust system. Hardware and software enable this to happen through the bike's data connector so that adjustments can be made electronically to things such as carburation,
Pretty fast. But we don't know how much
ignition,
longer it's gonna take to
etc.
configure it.
So basically, it's a tuning of the bike to extract the best performance based upon the installation of these new parts.
Grab it, Dad. Grab it.